as Opoku and Kansa or your Deputy National Tescom Coordinator. Now, one more Eddie petition echo dying the National Executive Committee of the NPP asking for disciplinary measures to be taken against Honorable Kennedy Agyapong no or Kahubi and petition no akwa kudu na yenya no ahoma no so bini a Charles Opoku me ma akwaba for God and country in there every now what to say.
Yeah, me hoye. Mijirisa also new producers. Also mo hoye.
Obia hoye. Now about the same na Udi petition I got dying the National Executive Committee of the New Patriotic Party asking for disciplinary measures to be brought against Honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Me no aveda say. Nedi kan ma me tete for omuti SOMPA enewie. Na asabno ne tintini ni tete nyina ne say. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong enye ordinary person who MPP. Say you can't MPP penny for moment the party nechi acha okahu. Ana party no e can be a bonya party this one for swa. Ye ni pamiensa esiwa untimi challenge. Na enkame akwa say be a couple of years be 3 years so na namuntu ne nsem kaye ne ye bia oye ade a mboa NPP started some 2022 abra there so be contested for a flag bearer position when people you have videos of him now we share delegates across the country or incite a party grassroots to know against MPP leaders any MPP abiding. And someone no allegations, what allegations are no making as a MPP appointees conform with your mind Ghana Sika, Edekoye, a Japadia, Brutri, and Sembasa, and Yan say, or Cassan Semon so for evidence be a M. Or Cassan same way MPP will be anywhere taking on, will be anywhere or train us, will be anywhere friend or penny for any. Olusu elections in the 2023 presidential primaries in Olusu. Now, Obekai say a brand no declare a year results on Omubu data for aspirants in Yana. Emma Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Ekujina Paso, on it Dr. Baobia, in the presence of the then President of the Republic of Ghana and another Danko Kufuado. I can say, elections, now a free and fair now. Ono de odibia atunechi or be support Dr. Bawumia Baba president in 2025. Nti ubeka ya obi abode ne so na me ye born abaso se wa yade wa kire odo ama party. Nti ye de nim say we were going into the 2024 elections with the united front. Na ya ho no mo yanka bia nhim. Ano pa bi ya sorry ya videos all over. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong akobantama obeka ya na asenso boachi Honorable asenso boachi and Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ni nua na your friend Raf no contesting na primaries parliamentary primaries wakobantama na ensem a wo keka ho no mo nya asepetwa ebo party ni training to the stance o kan say MPP mu 2025 mo be call opposition bi antimi nya mehwe a whole lot. And as a feminine say, or can someone sign can crash say, Honorable and so boache, a tone or my Japadiana, former Chief Justice be a friend of mine for Sound and Bangalo be Wakako tone and Semunya, and someone as well. Obekaya, same way. Judicial Service for her to release a press statement correcting him, say, Bangalo Necrano, and Honorable and so boachena. I did my for redevelopment. I bind that chem and a two sana mon and send be brave. Wamanaus one Ubekayo Kotra KSM show so KSM you show now or eco preachy change say MPP ya say or mine ya say economy no now we are doing it at the Ghana for your pitching you change and Katarana Ghana for Wamanaus one. Now on radio stations, so now TV stations, so a comedian talk. President Mahama Chow, Bonibia, why they be on channel? No, saying Cancer President Mahama, a good person, just say indirectly campaign. year 2025 and the beto just say it been 2024 elections and the economy. Bonia would be MPP see that. Only key MPP election strategies they my A plus and Kasenu Mutum. This is the worst sinner will be to me at the MPP. A plus is say elections are winning a go more central seat now we winning and honorable can Agyapong a buano. Or no a friend MPP for Baby say hint you say. Or no a friend MPP for Quaco and Crawford say Musuko say just say and send be bree. Am I A plus G seat in the free and some. And a bit told ya will be uncanny shame. Yet me say, or best Enti ne etwa yam surum nansi ya ne outburst ebra minority in parliament etu anamo ebeboa eyo oman Ghana afare military hospital no any other hospitals NDC for by afene ne fani oma abandon ye bom echi se omontoa eye project ne so se ne ebe ya Ghana for ebetimi nya yarehwe more so say Ashanti regional minister ono na yere kwa wode na ko amorone amakwa wada Kumasi your projects hospitals are and then ya kakakra bi na yi no maja ho amon person mo beto.
All right, so very well that story Nyabotre, that story very well, we know that story, and then the outburst by and when na udi gina so a what petition the leadership of the party say Kendi Ankebeya omumpamu in free party no.
Exactly. And me and I meet you sana morning say MPP your constitution your mra ebo party na homra ebo homra. Now what kind article 4 of MPP constitution na e responsibilities ni duties obi a we party ni bia say this when is now too na e can say we are loyal to the party. I said who protected the name of the party. And what kind of article 4:1 now? I think say D. How can I evidence? Or say we are party now. You have to uphold the decisions of the party publicly. The MPP CGNA, our national issue be one. We are party now. You need to stick by that decision. As I said publicly, we promoting now advancing that position and
even if that position is at variance with one personal conviction as a person.
Then you keep quiet because who join you and your personal business now who promote and as your personal life na who two man or politics that's why you are not an independent person. So me fan say SOMPA ho away. Some call a management meeting. Now we take a decision say ene anase bia we show you kura wutisui. One we take a decision say ne honorable can Agyapong issue ne be ka ho asem. Na mo betra na o producer say already on tia say wakwa kofa bia issue foforo bi na ba beto wanima. How would the team feel? So it's not about all personal position. If say your personal position is in contradiction with party position, the best thing that you will do is all become one to.
Okay.
But you see, honorable can Agyapong the man you went against party's position, not because they say a woman opposition be grounded in truth and our facts. What would they need to ensure blatant falsehood? And I would so adequate MPP official position. And I said, my work, I say, I'm MPP, 8 years, can I be my for military hospital? No, yeah, no shit, and you say, I know she. So I said, no kind, and you know, correct, I would know. He knows it's as I'm now, kind, and you know, correct. But for whatever reason, okay, just to embarrass the MPP, just to shut
down. Very well. So, number 3, in the petition, no, say then I will say in the petition.
So, you make it simple. party no wabu party ne mraso article 4 wabu so
SOMPA
ana party
FM.
ne so constitution article 6 says so obi bu party ne mraso a oya party ni a obetimi e de ehun nsem akwakoda ne mpenifo na o ma frɛ no na o ma toto na nti me ne me hwere ne say ma provide evidence of infractions and anti-party behavior in some of our kanamu or what ebu party na nimuntia the party no akọ how creating massive disaffection ama party no ma provide all this evidence say party mpenifo international no mo frɛ no no mo busa na nsɛm emfa ho omo wia sotini ewo ho no mo no omo mfa ma no. And according to your party constitution, you can be expelled from the party. And me found question. Obakaya 2015, MPP, your national chairman, your general secretary, and one of our national vice chairman. And me, general you or say, I engage you myself in anti-party behaviors. And in fact, on our work in Agyapong, and I desire a crusade in any. Uko Ghana Web, May 2022, May 22, 2015. Oben say storyline at the Hokesi, when Agyapong rallies MPP youths to demand Afuku's removal. Saturday na Osan can say MPP youths and call Asalam down MPP headquarters and conquer Paul Afuku in free office 1 for number 2 abonting. Saturday na Osan can say Paul Afuku ne kwabna je Japan yen yomadi enfre MPP mu a MPP be collapse. Saturday na Osan can say MPP ba bem in 2017 na yan prosecute kwabna Japan and Paul Afuku a na che say MPP yan kasa yan pay a party ni yi and Saturday na wo kire ni nti a omo na yan fa sa eniema we nyina enye omo and ade no so omaye. All of us, we believed in that at that time, and still we believe in that. And they said they've involved themselves in anti-party behavior. Oh my, any MPP, constitution, oh my, MPP, my MPP, 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 Tumpon, and Fankabum, and Brain.
But chance, you know that
and a same thing, a Quedunam, the Debo Afuku, and the Pabnaja Japan, you free party, same Quedu. And a debo. In fact, on our book in Japan, the NFA West, or I West than Pabnaja Japan. Any Paul Afuku. Intimania Mesha disciplinary committee for no one and say there is precedent. Yayebida, Yadibia Dinkofubida. Inti Bomon share Mran and Society, Amon share Mran na Asutria walk by a Sefatan. Amon Fambo honorable Kennedy Japan.
But what if the disciplinary committee sits and thinks otherwise? Any can say honorable Kennedy Japan, your trainer, what would you do?
But that will be a disaster for the MPP.
It will be a disaster for the MPP.
And that will create a precedent MPP will never recover from. I'm telling you, say, Obi, Ebu Party Maraso, Enye Kum, Enye No, Enye Sa, Enye Nai, Enye Num, Enye Sia, uncountable. Enye Sa or Yes Ye, or Yenny blatantly. Esan tu no ho eka so obi antimi nya mehwe na party mpanifo ahwe nanim ese oh yenja no onko yenka ne hwe yentwe naso. That will be a bad precedent. And you see mami kasa asem we me story be honorable HMS Abuntu. I think so grantee interview with you guys. Now with your indulgence me per se me confirm me say ampa SOMPA na grantee interview na sa flyer and if you move on. And as a war flyer and say the recent outburst of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong was unfortunate and came to us all by surprise. But the leadership of the party is taking steps to re-engage him, not to sack him, as some are calling.
True.
Me person confirm say every Muhana.
Every other station I will come and say.
SOMPA. Okay, that means it's a work as I say. Okay. You see, Honorable was HMN Sabons, you'll be me respecting a he's somebody that I really admire. He's one of the few people where a party, the one with a party, Nasi, the party next year, you are soon party. But on this one, I'm so much disappointed in him.
Oh, how?
And I'm disappointed in him as a petitioner. As will be a petitioner, common party in Penny 4. Because party, you see, party no national petition, so National Executive Council and the National Council. National petition is what refers to a petition in the disciplinary committee. Disciplinary committee, anything I say, so. Among for the Honorable Agyapong and to Tonam. Among form a report on by no about the cancer assembly. You are preempting the decision of a disciplinary committee. And that is unfortunate.
Just like you are also preempting the decision of the outcome of the disciplinary committee. You're also preempting.
You asked me the reliefs that I sought in my petition, and I was re-echoing my reliefs me seeking from a party in benefit. Is that not it? I know it's not a preemption of any outcome, but on no can it emphatic. I say, but they will re-engage him. You are literally giving a judgment.
But perhaps
disciplinary committee.
Perhaps he's also thinking about, sir, Ken Awonam. Ken is a huge figure within the New Patriotic Party. He has lots of followers. He said, Mukacha Ken say, Onkwa, it is going to affect the party, just like it happened when Alan Tremantin left the party before the 2024 election. That is
but you see, that is even a problem. Ken, I can't tell myself a sort of MP. We see the interview after saying, Obi Cham Trophy for military hospital.
Also June, July.
Interview, no interview, no grant here. Nipa no can't so plainly say, and Yadia will be do what you campaign. What can't you say, Yadia will be support you, or be na platform so anyway campaign. So why are you worrying yourself? Why are you troubling yourself, chasing after Obi or no? What's in Kitty say, and Yadia be campaign amount.
All right, Mamina.
I don't know me patch William Mammy just 1 minute. Now, I'm casting win to the MPP for MPP for Muntia same way. Honorable Kennedy Japan, and Yadia obey a campaign MPP. That is the reality. You guys should accept. And deal on the NDC for there is no way out. To MPP over NDC, upon NDC for and many workers. There is no way I will go to see MPP over it.
So we are then we are then who say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong on the NDC for Apam. We are then
January 2026. Me refer is that day. 2 contracts are MPP, the Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. In December 2023, after so Lusu first presidential primary, just to appease him, Sika a boom in excess of 200 million Ghana cedis. January 2026, and I NDC buying Chiamo on Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. That time no, Omuntia contracted Biaka. Contracted Bia new our executive project and the MPP, NDC buying a Tianeka. I'm telling you on authority that Kennedy Agyapong and NDC4 are in bed, and the agreement is that cause disaffection for MPP, cause trouble in MPP, and contracts MPP demawa. Basically, that is what is happening. MPP supposed to understand that.
Charles Opoku. Now I understand you are far away over there in the US to support the Black Stars.
Yeah, I'm actually I had a take a crab, but I was saying about share a bone maybe or Philly. The support a Black Star.
Charles Opoku, better was.